to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really pretty and natural prom look. I did add like a hint of sparkle to like the bottom lashes in my inner corner, just so the look is more like sparkly and like prom-y. But this is more of like a natural kind of look. For the girls that don't wear as much makeup. So I did do like a time lapse of me doing my hair, and I just wanted to show you guys what wand I used. This is the Numi 3-in-1, so it comes with 3 barrels, and I used the biggest barrel that came in the set. Yeah, basically all I did was just wand my hair, and it came out like this. I do the curls a little bit tighter because they will fall. I haven't put any hairspray in, but I'm not really going to prom, so it's okay. If you guys were wondering, this top, it's actually a bodysuit. This is from Zara, and I got it when I went to Paris, and it was only 22 euros, so I kind of got a deal on this. And my Paris vlog will be up soon. I'm just trying to work on it. So yeah, so stay tuned for that, and if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. Guys, so to start off, I'm just going to be clipping my hair back so it's not in the way when I do my makeup. And these gator clips you can get anywhere, like if you go to Sephora or Ulta, they sell them. Or even like a hair store, I think. With foundation, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And since I am a little tanned right now, I'm going to be using 207 and 209, and I'm just going to mix those two colors. Now to blend in the foundation, I'm just going to be taking a Morphe M444 brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to go in circular motions and buff that into my skin. So I forgot to mention that before I went in with my foundation, I did go in with moisturizer, and I used the Clinique Moisture Surge, and it looks like this. I think this one was like a little sample, and I just use it all the time because I really like it, and I don't feel like buying a big one. So yeah, I like that one. So since it is prom, and if you want more of like a full coverage look, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass stick foundation, and stick foundations are way more coverage than like a liquid. So if you don't want that much full coverage, then you can stick with this. But if you do, then I would go in with like a stick foundation or just any other thicker foundation. I do like to go like down my body just so everything looks blended and the same color. So next for concealer, I'm going to be taking this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Vanilla, and it looks like this. And then I'm also going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape, just because this is thicker and it's going to give me more coverage, and this is the color Fair Neutral, and I think it's going to be really light, but we're going to make it work, so it's okay. I just have to go dampen my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take the first concealer and put this under my eyes. Whoa. Okay, it's going to go on your nose, but not like that. Just on the tip and then on the bridge, and then I like to put some. Okay, sorry guys, my camera like cut off, and I just blended in my the first concealer under my eyes and then on my nose. So now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, just a little bit. You do not need a lot of this because it's gonna get really thick and you're gonna see like the creases under your eyes and stuff, so you only need a little bit of this, and just, I like to dab under my eyes, and that's really it. So I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender and then pat that in and blend it out. So now that's all blended, I'm going to go in with a cream contour, and this is just the KKW Beauty one in the shade medium. I'm just gonna contour my cheeks, and then a little bit on my forehead, and then I like to do a little bit on my nose too. And to blend that out, I'm just gonna take a MAC 130 brush and just blend that out. And I like to go in circular motions and do this. I have a video on how to contour and highlight, and I'll link that below. So now for blush, I'm going to be going in with a liquid blush, and this is from NARS, and it looks like this, and the color is Orgasm. So yeah, this is the Orgasm blush, but just in a liquid form. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this because it's very pigmented, and I'm just going to take it from the little thing and just dab it onto my cheeks. And then I'm going to take this IT Cosmetics brush, and I don't think there's a number on it, but it's like a blush brush, and I'm just going to buff that out with this. That's what this looks like, and I think it's really pretty, and you can build it up to however much you want, so I also like that about it. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Now that that is all blended, now I'm going to go in with a bronzer, and I'm using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm using this one right here. I'm going to take a Morphe R7 brush. And it looks like this. Mine's like all disgusting and worn out, so I need a new one. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just bronze my cheeks up. Now for powder, I'm just going to be using, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I use this RCMA powder, and it looks like this. And I just pour it I just pour it into my old Laura Mercier like pan, because there's like nowhere to put the powder, so I just put it in here. And I'm gonna be using that. I'm using this double-sided Kat Von D brush. This one's like for contour, and then this one's for the powder highlight. So first I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend out any creases that formed. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of powder and just set under my eyes. Now I don't use a lot of powder because like I said, I don't like to look drying. So I just put a little and then just wipe it. So next I'm just gonna go over my blush just a little bit. I'm gonna be taking this Too Faced blush, and this is the color Who's Your Poppy, and it looks like this. And then I'm gonna be taking another IT Cosmetics blush brush, and this one's just angled, and I'm only gonna take a little bit and just pat it on to my cheeks. for highlighter. This is like my favorite highlighter and I don't even remember where I got it from because it's like one of those little pans. It's just like a champagne-y, like pinkish highlighter. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. And then a little bit up here.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
I'm just gonna do my eyebrows really quick and I'll be right back. So now for the eyeshadow. So for this look, it's kind of, the eyelids are gonna be simple and then I'm gonna do like a sparkly glitter liner at the bottom. So it's gonna be really easy and really just simple and anyone can do it. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna take my two transition colors. I'm gonna take this one right here and then this one and I'm just gonna work them into my crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this darker color right here and I'm only gonna take a little bit and just tap the rest off and then just blend that into my crease.
Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give. Never gonna give you up.
So that is all blended out. And then I'm gonna go back in with this highlighter color and I'm gonna put this on the arch of my brow bone. And I'm using a MAC 242 brush to do that. A little bit of this on my eyelid too, just to make it a little bit shimmery and pop a little.
Never gonna say goodbye. No.
Okay, so the eyelids are done. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and then coat them with mascara.
Never gonna say goodbye. No.
So the mascara I'm going in with is by Maybelline and it's called the Big Shot Colossal and this is a waterproof one. And I like to use waterproof because if you're at prom, you're probably gonna be like sweating or whatever when you're dancing and stuff and you don't want your makeup to go anywhere. I'm looking for my mirror, I'm sorry. Okay, whatever, I'll just use this one. But yeah, I like to use waterproof because it doesn't transfer for me when I because sometimes when I have my makeup on and it's like later in the night, it'll transfer onto my eyelids and I hate that. So when I use like a waterproof one, it doesn't do that. And yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with false eyelashes and I'm using these Ardell Wispies and they look like this. They're not too dramatic. I think they look really natural and pretty. So we're gonna go in with these. I'm just gonna be taking my Duo glue and I'm just gonna be popping these on.
Let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye.
Okay, so the eyelashes are on now and I'm just gonna let them dry because they were being a pain in the butt to put on. So, and now for the fun part. We're gonna go in with glitter and I'm gonna be taking my NYX Roll-On Shimmer and I don't even remember when I got this, but this is what it looks like. It's like a silvery shimmer And it's like a roll-on ball. So I'm gonna take some of that shimmer and just put it on the back of my hand. So it looks like that. It's very intense. And I'm gonna take a little bit of, of oil serum. And I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand. Just like one little drop. And then I'm just gonna take an angled brush and I'm going to just mix that in with the glitter. So it's more of like a little bit looser for me to work with instead of like it falling when I put it on my face. So first I'm gonna put a little bit in the inner corner of my eye. So it looks like that. It's really intense and really pretty. So it looks like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing and put this like on my, not on my waterline, but right underneath it. I'm just gonna go under my waterline with this. So that is what it looks like right now. It looks a little messy right now, but I'm gonna fix it. Now I'm just gonna go in and just blend a little bit of that sparkle out, just so it's not like clumpy. And you just want it to all blend and go together. I'm gonna go back in with mascara, and I'm just going to make the eyelashes and my real lashes come together. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my lower lashes. So last but not least, for lips, I'm gonna be going in with, where is it? I'm gonna be going in with this MAC color, and this is the shade Honey Love. And it looks like this. It's just like a nude color. So let me just wipe my lips off a little. So then I'm just gonna go over it with this Stila color, and this is called Angelo. And it's like a pinkish, like mauve color, and I'm just gonna go in the middle with this. It's like basically the same thing as the same color I just used. Wow. And yeah, that's what the lips look like. So lastly, I'm just gonna spray my face with this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Yeah, this is the complete look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you like how this makeup turned out. I really love it. I wish my makeup like this turned out when I was a senior, because my makeup was so terrible. I wore like a navy blue dress, and I did my eyes navy blue, and I didn't know how to put on fake eyelashes, so I was just a mess. I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see what I looked like. I mean, it wasn't that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Know what color your dress is for prom, because I would love to know. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you know whenever I upload a video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.